Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to be taking care of something that's really been agitating me. Those of you that own X3s probably this might bother you, but it really bothers me, especially when I'm trying to clean a unit and stuff like that. This door. So it won't stay open. So it closes all the time. When you're on the trail, it'll close. And I know it's probably what they meant it from the factory, but it's a lot harder to clean your unit when these doors keep closing. You got to find something to prop them open. So we picked up this strut kit from Bent Metal Off-Road, and we're gonna go ahead and install these. It's not too bad of a job. I just wanted to share it with you guys, and we'll go from there. But it's real simple. Come on over here, Mikey. We're just gonna remove these two screws here, okay? And then this is just gonna go on top there like that. And then we got this piece right here. This is gonna go on here like that. And then the strut's gonna connect from that bracket to this bracket, wherever we're gonna put it on this. So it's not too hard, but figured I'd share it with you guys so you can check it out. Maybe you might want to do it to your X3. And then this is a 1/2 inch. So we got your two screws out. So now what we're going to do, we're going to close this door. Make sure it latches. Okay. And then we're just going to put this bracket right on. Just like that. Now it opens and shuts. So we're good. I'm just going to put it loosely on to figure out where we're going to put the shock at. So put that bracket on right there, and then you could choose whichever hole you want. I think the closest hole is the hardest, I believe. But if you don't like it the way it is, you can always put it on the other hole over here. I think that's going to be good right there. So let's go ahead and tighten that up. That should go right on there like that. And then all we need is 1/2 inch. And just tighten them up. That one there. And that should be it. opens up nice and wide. You got to worry about it hitting you, coming back and forth to you. Now it'll stay open. So you can come around and show them this side, Mikey, what it looks like. All put together. And real simple job. So we'll go ahead and do the other side. And that'll be it. Got this side all done. So let's see. Nice and easy. There you go. So now we got both doors. So when you're cleaning your unit, or you're getting in and out of your unit, you gotta worry about the doors hitting you in the butt no more, hitting you in the leg or whatever. Now they stay open when you got them open. There you go. Just like that. Pretty cool. So this is a pretty quick video for you guys. I just wanted to share it with you. So if you guys are interested in this, these struts for your doors, I'll put a link in the description of the video. Please like, comment down below, tell me what you guys think. Also, if you like this kind of stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. So with that said, see you on our next one.